everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ 911. In this video, I want to talk about the value of giving our children experiences instead of just more toys. Now, there are countless studies out on the internet and in journals and at universities that are clearly stating our children today have too many toys, and it's actually hurting them more than helping them. Now, I'm not going to talk about all the countless studies out there. I have done that before in a video. I will leave the link to that video up in the iCard up there. You can go check it out. It's some startling statistics on our overindulgence of toys for our children. So I wanted to offer in this video some alternatives that you can give your children that will offer them special experiences that they'll remember for a lifetime. The first thing I want to offer, it costs zero money, okay? And that is offer them your time. Now, when my kids were growing up, I didn't have a lot of extra money to throw around. So I often gave them coupon books. And they were coupon books for my time. Children love spending time with their parents, the young ones. I'm not talking teenagers, okay? I will give you that. But young children enjoy spending time with their parents. So try giving them your time in the form of gift certificates, like for one board game, or a gift certificate for a card game. One of the favorites my kids enjoyed was I would give them a coupon that says, Mom's going to be a kid for a day. And that meant from the beginning of the day to the end of the day, we just played. Whether it be outside, inside, more games, Mom was a kid, no responsibilities, no house cleaning, no errand running that day. I was there to play the entire day. Okay, so your first one is offer them your time. The second thing you can offer them are lessons. Now, that is a gift that can be given when they're very young all the way through teenage years. You can offer them music lessons. You can offer them some sport lesson. You can offer them art lessons. You can offer them horseback riding lessons. You can offer them karate lessons. You know, whatever they seem to be interested in, maybe offer them structured lessons so they can hone their skills. Number 3 is give them maybe tickets instead of toys. Tickets to the movies, tickets to a sporting event, tickets to, a concert. Any of those can provide a lifelong memory. And number 4, maybe give them a day-long outing. You could offer them a day at the splash park. You can offer them a day at the amusement park. You can offer them a day at the zoo, a day at the museum, something where you're spending the entire day together. Here's the thing, toys kind of come and go. What is hot one year is stupid the next year for kids, okay? And they really don't build the connection with toys like they do with experiences in their life. And by offering them experiences, you're not only helping them establish skills that they may never have gotten, but you are offering them memories that they will cherish all the way into their adulthood. So just think about it. Next time when you go to buy your child something for their birthday or a holiday, try giving them the gift of an experience as opposed to just another toy that's going to be collecting dust in about a year. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and poke that subscribe button as well and ring the bell so you know every time I'm uploading a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. Thanks for watching. Video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.